Moikka kaikki! Mä ajattelin tehdä tämmösen lyhyen videon tästä mun päivästä tänään täällä. Elikkä mä kävin eka tossa 9 bodypumpissa niin joka lauantai-aamu. Ja nyt mä olen menossa kattoo mun ystävän Tiian uutta kämppää. Ne muutti tossa noin viikko sitten. Sen jälkeen me ollaan menossa Manleyn aamiaiselle. Mä käyn aamiaisella yleensä joka viikonloppu täällä. Täällä on itse asiassa todella kaunis päivä tänään. Täällä on plus 32 astetta lämpöä, vaikka ollaankin jo syksyn puolella menossa. Mä tässä just mietin mitä mä laittaisin päälle, mutta ehkä mä laitan jotkut rennot biitsivaatteet, kun sinne mä ollaan kuitenkin menossa tänään. Joo, katsotaan mitä tästä päivästä tänään tulee.
Now don't touch. This is so messy.
So
I'm so
cute!
because it's so messy. Sorry about that. It's dirty. Everything I haven't cleaned.
Ah, nice soft carpet.
When did you sleep here first night? Wednesday?
Wednesday. Yeah.
Yeah, right.
So this is Tia.
Oh my god. Yeah, but I haven't been home really since yesterday afternoon. Like working and doing this all the time. So there's a lot. Anyways, this is it. Yeah.
Cute!
Nothing too fancy, but I love this place already so much more than the old one.
I think it's really nice.
It's
like
quite
it's
old.
big.
It's quite big, yeah.
Yeah.
It's time. It's Kristen.
Oh, ihania ruusuja. Eli Tiia muutti just viikko sitten tänne uuteen asuntoon. Minä olen laittamassa just tavaroita paikoilleen.
It's quite nice, but the spider was right here. There's tiny one there now, but it was right here, hanging on top of the table from the big room, and it was big.
Oh my god.
So we had to take the other half from the barbecue off because it couldn't fit.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
But
right.
we're lucky we still got that part.
Yeah.
It's really hot.
Yeah, it's really hot today.
It's good.
And we got all this storage space here too. Like I didn't even know
Oh,
these are cupboards.
super handy.
Yeah. So yeah. No fridge yet.
Oh.
Because our old one didn't fit.
Oh really?
Just fun.
Unfortunately.
Have you got any cockroaches?
Pardon?
Have you got any cockroaches?
No, I'm just prepared.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because the spider was there and we have food ants in the kitchen. But they're gone now.
Oh.
I haven't seen any.
That's your favourite wine, isn't it, Katya?
Which one? Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
kangaroo
that's
one. Oh, that's red wine.
But
Yeah.
but it's red wine.
Do you like red wine?
Wait, red wine.
Don't you?
No, I only drink white wine.
Oh, that's really yummy, that one. Yeah, I can't have white wine here because we don't have a fridge.
Oh yeah.
Oh, when did your fridge come?
Well, we're just going to swap with Kristen's brother for now. It's a quite small fridge, not as big as we used to have.
Yeah.
And keep that for a month or so and then just save up money to buy a new one.
Yeah.
Oh, your old fridge, was it owned by the landlord?
But
You had a fridge
No,
in
it was too
Bugger.
big for this.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, that
Oh,
was
won't fit in there.
ours. Yeah,
Oh.
that was ours, but it couldn't fit.
Oh, really? Oh, right.
So we will swap with Kristen's brother
Oh, good. Yeah, right.
until we get money saved for the like new bigger one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
It's
got a big
just a little
space.
bit smaller than the old one.
It's quite a big space though, isn't it?
I
Yeah.
really like this kitchen. I like this the tables and stuff.
Yeah,
It's inside.
I like because that's wasn't it?
It's
We got a dishwasher.
It's not which candle you have?
I got that from Kristen.
Let me quick have a
It's
look
really
now.
yummy. That's my favourite one.
Oh, that's nice. So what is it?
Especially made for Tiger Lily.
Oh,
Just up, you know.
what is the fragrance?
Coconut bar and lemon.
So nice.
Yeah, it's
Do they burn well?
But you can only buy it from Tiger Lily.
Oh, okay. Alright.
But it's a glass house. I just quickly check
Oh
that.
yeah. I like the roses. Where did you get them?
Yeah. Oh,
They're nice.
okay. Good.
Alright, let's go.
And that's off. Yeah, I'm freaking out that I leave something on. Especially candles with the car. That, you know.
Okei, me ollaan nyt menossa aamiaiselle Manleyin. Tässä on Institu, yksi meidän suosikki cocktailbaareista. Ne tekee niin ihania cocktailleja tuolla.
Did you go to the Cuban to have Havana bar?
Oh yeah. Quite a bit along there.
Big greasy, but I really like the food.
I love it, and it's such a nice place to go along with the afternoon drink.
Yhteen ihanaan kahvilaan. Mä kävin täällä pari viikkoa sitten myös tiimin kanssa. Täällä on tosi hyvää ruokaa täällä. Joten katsotaan miten me löydetään tästä menystä. Annokset. Tää on goat cheese, crumbled eggs on toast. Yay!
So I guess it's got a different feel. And,
Oh my god, totally different.
Yeah.
It's connected to the street.
Nice community feel.
Oh yes, definitely.
This
yeah.
area is really becoming popular. It's taken a couple of years for it to sort of build up, but we're now finding
Tääkin
it's a lot of locals
Joo.
coming to this sort of strip, which is nice.
Fiddle leaf
So
fig.
also
Se on tuoksunia. Pitäisikö mä ostaa pari pinkkiä ruusua?
Ostamia ihania.
Yes.
Sort of,
Oh,
you
yeah.
know, all through the back,
Well,
like
you're-
Whistler Street and things.
Me ollaan nyt täällä Manly Beachillä. Tää on ihan täynnä, kuten näette myöskin. Varmaan viimeisiä beachpäiviä viedään. Toi vesi varmaan aika viileätä, koska täällä on yöt alkanut jo viilenemään aika reilusti. Mutta kyllä varmaan tarkenee uida, koska täällä on varmaan joku +32 astetta tänään.